Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. The following contest is a fatal 5-way match scheduled for one fall, and it's a #1 contender match for the WBC United States and Intercontinental Championship. And here we go, matchup. Oh, here's no way. What? Whoa, 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 chop. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Damn. Oh, man. Oh, no. Cena. No. Oh, no. Hey, hey. Nope. Got it with the... Oh, connect the DT. Animal. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. And a choke slam. 1, 2. Oh. Outside the ring goes. Outside the ring goes. Boss man slam. 1, 2. Oh no, no. Drop kick. Drop kick. Look at this. Got him. 1, 2. On a boot. Boom. Damian Priest, Ric Flair, Santos Escobar, Animal, and John Cena all battle for a spot here tonight. Oh. No. The winner faces Punk at King of the Ring. Oh, live and a premiere and the next premium live event. CM Punk or or look out, Sami Zayn. Either Sami Zayn or CM Punk walks away with the champion next, with the title. And Punk's next title defense. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Punk delivers. Oh no. Oh no. Yep. Oh. Ah. Ric Flair. Boot. Cena. Oh, Cena. What? He's got it. He's got it. STF. No, he doesn't have it locked in. He doesn't have it locked in. Oh, yes, he does. No. Oh. Get him outside the ring. Oh. Boom. Oh no. Backbreaker. Look at this. Ric Flair. Oh no. He's got it. Ah. Come on, he's got it. Oh no. He's got it. Oh. Oh no. Jumps. Oh no, he's got it. Is this gonna be it? It's kinda like a crossface. Boom! Oh man! It's still locked in. No. Is he gonna tap? Oh no. Oh. Damian Priest launches him out of nowhere. Priest. Go, got it. 1, 2, Animal. 1, 2, and a kick out. The unstoppable man of my Animal. Oh, it's over now. Oh my goodness. Cover. 1, 2. Oh, the drop kick. Look at Cena. Oh. But meanwhile, Whoa. Oh, look at this. Oh. And Ric Flair catches on with the DT. The arm. deal. Uh-oh, he's got it. Uh-oh. He's got it. He's got it with the... Oh, no, he's going with the arm. He's going with the arm. He's going with the arm. Come on, Tap. Come on, Tap. Come on, Tap. No. No, 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 no. 1, 2. Oh. Hey, hey. Oh, there he goes. Hey, he's going for... Got it. Yeah, 2 adjustment delivered. Cover. 1, 2. Oh, Cena could have won it. Cena could have had an opportunity at the title. Man. Ric Flair. Whoa, Ric Flair. Huh? What? Oh! Oh, man. Ah, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. What? Catches him. Catches him. Got it. 1, 2. Cena. Cena broke it up. Cena broke it up here. Oh. Uh-oh. Ah. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Powerhouse. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Boot. Oh, man, a boot. Damian Priest. Oh. Oh, what? Launches him. Cena. 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 Oh. Sit out power by 1, 2. Oh, no, 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 no. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Oh, no, he's got it here. Come on. You're on it. Ah, come on. Come on, you're on it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on. Drop kick. Seen the nose. Drop kick. Oh, man. Oh. Drop kick. Out of nowhere. Priest. 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 What? No. Animal. Ducks. The low with the German suplex. Oh, but look at this. Oh, no, 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 no. Kylie sits there. Oh. 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 Oh, no. Got it. Oh, man. On the outside. On the outside. Oh. Oh. Cena. What? Oh no, catch his animal. Catch his animal. What? Oh no. Oh, he's got all of them. He's got all of them. He feels what is right. He feels what is right. No way. No way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Squashes all of them. God, hey. Hey. Is that enough? Is that enough? Cover. 1, 2, and he did it. Cena's #1 contender. Ding. Here is your winner, John Cena. Cena makes it once again. John Cena has done it, and will fight CM Punk at the pay-per-view King of the Ring live tonight. You don't want to miss it. And guys, oh man, Cena picked up a win. And that'll be for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Much more content coming to you out. And I'm excited for myself. And yeah, guys, I'm excited. So, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, peace out, everyone.